The vibrant yellow powder residing in your spice rack, commonly known as turmeric, has blossomed into a subject of considerable interest and discussion among older adults across the United States, emerging as a natural remedy that a growing number are actively embracing for its potential health benefits. It's quite plausible that you too have begun incorporating this golden spice into your daily rituals, perhaps adding it to your morning smoothie to kickstart your day, stirring it into your customary cup of tea, or even sprinkling it over your breakfast oatmeal. The reasons behind this widespread adoption are compelling and deeply rooted in the scientific literature and anecdotal evidence that increasingly highlight turmeric's remarkable properties. Research robustly suggests that turmeric possesses the potential to significantly reduce inflammation throughout the body, a common affliction that can lead to discomfort and reduced mobility as we age. It is also credited with easing joint pain, a debilitating symptom experienced by many, thereby restoring a sense of ease and freedom in movement. Furthermore, its purported benefits extend to supporting a healthy cardiovascular system, crucial for maintaining vitality and longevity, and even playing a role in keeping your mind sharp and alert as the years advance, guarding against cognitive decline. However, there exists a critical piece of information, a subtle yet vital detail that remains largely obscured for the majority of individuals who are enthusiastically integrating turmeric into their diet. For those of you who have reached or surpassed the age of 60, the act of incorporating turmeric into your daily food intake necessitates a thorough understanding of 3 common foods that you must consciously avoid. These particular food items, if consumed alongside turmeric, can actively counteract its beneficial properties, effectively dulling its therapeutic impact and potentially even leading to undesirable outcomes. These seemingly innocuous foods, often found as staples in most American kitchens, are likely consumed by you without a second thought, completely unaware of the potential negative biochemical reactions they can trigger when inadvertently paired with turmeric. When these incorrect food companions are introduced into your digestive system in close proximity to turmeric, the spice's inherent therapeutic powers can be dulled, diminished, or even transformed into substances that are not only ineffective, but can also lead to digestive upset, inflammation, and general discomfort. This unfortunate interaction has the potential to transform a supplement that you rely on for health support and well-being into something that inadvertently causes more harm than good. Understanding precisely which foods to avoid and, crucially, the scientific or physiological reasons why this avoidance is necessary is paramount to truly unlocking the full spectrum of turmeric's potential benefits. But it is not solely about what to exclude from your diet. There are also 3 fantastic food pairings that can actually act as potent allies, synergistically boosting turmeric's benefits and making it significantly more effective for your body's intricate systems. So, take a moment to get comfortable. Perhaps prepare a warm, comforting drink, and let us embark on a journey to explore how to make turmeric work optimally for you, ensuring that your body receives the full, unadulterated benefits it so richly deserves. The burgeoning popularity of turmeric among older Americans is far from surprising, given the evolving landscape of health consciousness and the growing desire for natural, holistic approaches to well-being as we gracefully navigate the later stages of life. As individuals progress through the years, there is a natural, almost innate inclination to shift our focus more intently towards our overall well-being, seeking ways to mitigate the natural physiological changes that accompany aging. Joints, once as limber as a young sapling, can become stiffer and more prone to aches and pains. Our digestive systems, which once effortlessly processed a wide array of foods, may not be as robust or efficient as they once were, leading to occasional discomfort or irregularity. Inflammation, a silent but persistent assailant, can become more noticeable, contributing to a general sense of malaise and fatigue. Recovery times following physical activity, whether it's a brisk walk or a more strenuous exercise, can noticeably lengthen, requiring more patience and rest. and our cognitive functions, the very essence of our mental acuity, might not always feel as sharp or as readily accessible as they did in our younger, more vigorous years. These are all natural, predictable shifts that accompany the passage of time, yet they can undoubtedly impact our daily experiences, our mood, and our overall quality of life. This precise set of circumstances is precisely why more and more older adults are actively turning to natural remedies, substances that have been time-tested and derived from the earth's bounty, promoting health and vitality without resorting to the potential harshness or side effects often associated with synthetic chemicals or pharmaceutical interventions. Turmeric, with its rich history of use in traditional medicine and its increasingly recognized therapeutic potential, has emerged as one of the most sought-after natural solutions in today's burgeoning wellness landscape. You have likely heard people talking about it, whether it's a close friend sharing their personal experience, a trusted healthcare professional recommending its use, or a family member extolling its virtues. You might have seen it prominently displayed on grocery store shelves, found it conveniently available in capsule form at your local pharmacy, or noticed it as a key ingredient in health drinks and the ever-popular golden milk. Turmeric is frequently praised for its remarkable qualities, and rightfully so, primarily thanks to its potent and highly celebrated compound, curcumin. Curcumin is undeniably the powerhouse behind turmeric's characteristic vibrant yellow hue, and it is particularly celebrated within the scientific and wellness communities for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This dual action means that curcumin holds significant potential in a variety of health applications. It has the potential to help alleviate the chronic inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, thereby supporting cardiovascular health by protecting blood vessels and improving circulation, improving digestion by reducing gut inflammation, and offering crucial protective benefits for the brain against the cumulative effects of aging, such as oxidative stress and neurodegeneration. People are incorporating turmeric into their daily routines in a multitude of ways, adapting it to their individual preferences and lifestyles. Some prefer to mix it with warm water and a touch of honey each morning as a simple, potent elixir. Others find it convenient to add it to their smoothies, stir it into soups and stews for an added nutritional boost and color, or simply take it as a convenient dietary supplement. It's a practice that is both simple, natural, and easily fits into the rhythm of daily life without requiring major lifestyle overhauls. However, and this is where the crucial caveat lies, there's a vital detail that often goes unnoticed or is simply not understood. Turmeric's ultimate effectiveness hinges significantly on how well your body can actually absorb it. Unfortunately, curcumin, despite its impressive properties, is not easily absorbed on its own, particularly when consumed in isolation. Studies indicate that under suboptimal conditions, your body might absorb only a fraction of the curcumin you ingest, meaning that even with consistent daily consumption, you might not be delivering its full potential therapeutic impact to your cells and tissues. This is precisely where specific food combinations come into play, acting as either facilitators or inhibitors of curcumin absorption. Certain foods, when consumed alongside turmeric, can actually hinder your body's ability to absorb curcumin altogether, rendering your efforts less effective. Some pairings can also lead to undesirable side effects, especially for older adults who may possess more sensitive digestive systems or have pre-existing health concerns that could be exacerbated by certain food interactions. Therefore, before you instinctively reach for your next turmeric supplement or add that familiar golden powder to your afternoon tea, it is absolutely crucial to know what not to combine it with to ensure you are maximizing its benefits and avoiding potential pitfalls. Let us delve into the specifics of the foods that you should consciously avoid when consuming turmeric to ensure you are reaping its full potential benefits, especially as you navigate the nuances of health and well-being in your golden years. Our first area of concern revolves around processed dairy products, a category that encompasses a wide array of items commonly found in American kitchens and dietary habits. When we speak of processed dairy, we are referring to items such as American cheese slices, often found in individually wrapped portions, powdered creamers that are a staple for many in their morning coffee, sweetened flavored yogurts that offer a convenient and often appealing taste, and pre-shredded cheeses that promise to simplify meal preparation. These products are popular primarily for their convenience and flavor profiles, making them frequent choices for breakfast, snacks, or as ingredients in various dishes. Many individuals enjoy pairing cheese with their morning eggs, adding a generous amount of creamer to their coffee to achieve a desired richness, or opting for a fruit-flavored yogurt as a quick and easy snack. However, when it comes to maximizing the benefits of turmeric, these dairy products can unfortunately prove to be more detrimental than beneficial, effectively working against the very properties you seek to enhance. The primary reason for this lies in the composition of processed dairy. These items often contain a variety of additives, including preservatives to extend shelf life, artificial flavors to enhance taste, stabilizers to improve texture, and sometimes significant amounts of added sugars to make them more palatable. These complex ingredient lists can complicate the digestive process, particularly for older adults who may already experience a more sensitive stomach, suffer from acid reflux, or have a naturally slower metabolism. When your body